How to test and check S Pen touching on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, scroll down to and click on diagnostics. So after click on diagnostics, you will see first option is phone diagnostics. So click on phone diagnostics. Now here scroll down and you will see click on S and touching. So hold one. So if you want to check and test S pen touching, so you will see. So after touching test, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can test and check S Pen touching on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.